Hi everyone, hope you're well. I'm on location today. This is Southend-on-Sea Beach in Essex. I came down to see the high tides after the total solar eclipse yesterday morning. So this tide's about 6.2 meters, which is quite a lot higher than normal. And it's high tomorrow as well. So we are still in the most intense part of this eclipse. What is a good thing to do is reflect on the last 2 weeks, this 2-week period we've had between eclipses, because there aren't any more for 6 months. Look at what it's brought up or brought in for you. Look at your own life and look at society. So the general rule of eclipses is that the circumstances or events that they bring up will continue to play out over the next 6 months or so. We can see what's come up in society with this new version of something over the past 2 weeks. So how do we want that to go? Do we want that to get worse over the next 6 months? Or is this really the time finally for a majority to stand up and say that's enough? Okay. You may have felt with the eclipse too some health issues. Obviously if you're sick and you do what you need to do. But things like upset stomach and colds, headaches can be symptoms of the eclipse on the body. Because if you think about what it does to the sea, moving this huge amount of water and how heavy that is, what power there is in the eclipse, it's doing the same thing to your body. So, allow that feeling to move through you, and you'll come out stronger the other side. But it can feel a little bit uncomfortable during it, that's for sure. Another message is it's not a time to be passive. I've said this before. When it feels right to speak up and speak your truth, do. Speak up for yourself. Okay, don't assume other people know more than you do, or know how to do something better than you do, or know what's best for you. There's quite a lot of bitter, sort of petty, small-minded negativity around at the moment, because it is a tense time. Very easy to snap back at people, but I would say don't engage in a war of words. You're better than that. Rise above it. When there's a problem, go straight to the solution rather than having an argument. Just bypass the argument. You'll feel better for it. Okay, engaging in an argument with someone small-minded will just deplete your energy and leave you feeling just less. So try and avoid that. Another thing is just as you move around, look up. Look up rather than down. Try and see the big picture and encourage other people to as well. In yoga, they say to look with your whole field of vision. So right from the back of your eye, right to the sides of your eyes. Use your full range of vision to see as much as possible. Keep remembering how powerful humour is. Can take the power away from things. It's kind of funny at the moment how people are calling the new thing moronic. It does take away its power when you laugh at it. So I am going to try and make another video this evening about the Earth Star Chakra of London and how we can use those energies at the moment. But the gist of that is to feel your roots down into your Earth Star Chakra, down below your feet. Feel that connection with the earth. So you're not tossed about in the wind like a leaf just by little bits of news or words or thoughts about what might happen. Don't let that sway you. Grow your roots down. Connect with the earth, and that will keep you steady. Okay, bye everyone.